Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to look inside Google Home Mini. So without any delay, let's get started. Here you can see USB power jack and microphone button are connected to main PCB board using a PC connector cable. In the meantime, you can like this video, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe also. Here comes the speaker out, and now you can see the huge heatsink on the bottom. This is a 5-watt 4-ohm speaker. Because of this housing, this sounds really good. Here you can see indicator LEDs in the center and touch sensors in the corners. This thing right here is Marvel ASIC, which does all the heavy processing on Google Home Mini. This one is Skynex SD RAM. This is Marvel SoC for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.